It's another edition of What's on the Porch. Actually, it was on the back of the couch. It's my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for the month of June. Let's dig right in and see what I got. This one is going to be a quickie, y'all. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Leanna here. I am so disenchanted with BoxyCharm by Ipsy. They think I need to discover myself. You don't get a card, so I really don't know. It doesn't have any of the products on it. I didn't add it up because it's a little late in the month. Some of these products I did choose. Hopefully I can remember which ones that I chose. There is one makeup product. One, maybe two. Nope, there's one. And a beauty tool. So, I have the Elemis Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment Hydrating Eye Serum. It's Elemis, so I'm sure that it is quite expensive. I don't know whether I chose this. I don't think I did. I think this just came with it. I do like Elemis products. I am not mad that I have a Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. If I'm going to get skincare, eye treatments are the things to give me because they don't mess with the other skincare products that I use. It has a nice pump on it. It is a gel. I wasn't expecting that. Actually, and it turns into like a water. That's very interesting. It does have a little bit of a fragrance to it. Not terribly bad. I don't really care for fragrance in my skincare, but that feels very, very hydrating. I might be a little excited about that one. And then I know that I chose this. This is the Dew of the Gods Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner. I love Dew of the Gods. I have some of their under eye patches that I wear. They're the gel patches and I wear them to bed at night and they really help my eyes while I'm sleeping. This is what the packaging looks like. That's pretty cool. It is a glass bottle. I love a good face toner. Oh, it's got a screw top. I was expecting a pump. And it's got the little hoo-ha thingy on it that's sealed up. I want to smell it. Yep, smells like watermelon. Well, that's interesting. It's cloudy. Do you see it? It doesn't have a very strong watermelon scent to it. That's not terribly bad. Like I said, I'm not crazy about fragrance in my skincare, but that's not bad at all. Watermelon extract. Wonder what they extracted from the watermelon. Summer in a bottle. It's got AHAs, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and watermelon extract to tone, exfoliate, and reset your skin. Alrighty. I believe I may have chose these as well. These are Farrah brushes. I do like Farrah brushes. I have quite a few. I don't think that I was terribly impressed with my choices. The Farrah brushes are really nice. This is a blush and contour. I do like this type of blush brush. And the other one is blush and powder. Now that's a really nice brush. Their brushes are very soft. So I am excited about that. I always love to get brushes. And it has a boot. This is Lucky Chick. What is it? Precision Long-Lasting Lip Liner. Oh, I got two makeup products. You get 2 pens. I've never heard of Lucky Chick. Made in China. It does not tell me the shades on the pen. Enriched with vitamin E and rose oil. Lucky Passion and Lucky Dreams. but I don't know which one is which. Their roll up. That's actually a pretty shade. I like that. Very creamy, not hard. Like I said, they don't have the names on the pen, so I don't know which one is which. And here's the other one. And that one's pretty too. That's not, that second shade, this more pinky nude, it's not a shade that I would gravitate to, but I will absolutely give it a try. And then I have a lipstick. I may have chose this. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, and it is in the shade American Doll. There's the packaging, very pretty rose gold. And that is a very matte lipstick. That is like an orangey red. Not a bad shade. I was going to try that on, but I think I may want to try on this pencil because it looks almost a little brown. That's a pretty shade. That's a good color for me. I like to wear just a lip liner because they will really stay for a very long time. So there we go. That's my BoxyCharm by Ipsy for the month of June. I am 99.99999% positive that just as soon as my current subscription is done, I'm out, because I am not impressed. I want my BoxyCharm back. I want my BoxyCharm. I want my Drop Shop. I want my Mega Drop. I want all the BoxyCharm things back. I don't like what Ipsy has done with this subscription box. So before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.